Good morning.
Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept well, thank you.
That is good. I am making breakfast.
What are you cooking today?
I am making eggs, toast, and tea.
That smells really nice.
Thank you. I love cooking in the morning.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I like to cook fresh food every day.
That is healthy.
Yes, fresh food is always better.
Can I help you in the kitchen?
Yes, please cut some vegetables.
Where are the vegetables?
They are in the basket on the counter.
Okay, I will wash them first.
Thank you. That will save time.
Do you need the vegetables for the eggs?
Yes, I want to add some tomatoes and onions.
That sounds delicious.
It will taste good and fresh.
Should I also bring some spices?
Yes, please. The spice jars are in the cabinet.
Yes, please. The spice jars are in the cabinet.
I found them. Here is the salt and pepper. Perfect. Thank you.
Where should I put the chopped vegetables?
Put them in this small bowl.
Done.
Great. Now I will start cooking the eggs.
Should I prepare the bread too?
Yes, please put 4 slices in the toaster.
Okay. Toaster is ready.
Good. Breakfast is almost ready.
Do you want me to make juice?
Yes, that would be nice.
Orange juice or apple juice?
Orange juice, please.
Okay. I will pour 2 glasses.
Thank you.
Do you also want me to set the table?
Yes, please. Plates and cups are in the cabinet.
I see them here. I will set the table.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
No problem. Teamwork is fun.
The eggs are almost done.
The bread is ready too.
Great. Put it on a plate, please.
Done. Here is the plate.
Perfect. Breakfast is ready.
Should I bring napkins too?
Yes, they are in the drawer.
Got them. Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you want milk with your tea?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Here is your tea.
Thank you. It smells good.
Everything looks so fresh.
Yes, fresh food always makes me happy.
I agree. Cooking together is nice too.
Yes, it is fun and relaxing.
Let us eat before it gets cold.
Yes, let us sit and enjoy breakfast.
I like these eggs. They taste great.
I am glad you like them.
The orange juice is also sweet.
Yes, fresh juice is always the best.
Thank you for cooking this morning.
You are welcome. Thank you for helping.
We make a great team.
Yes, we do.
What should we cook for lunch later?
Maybe rice and chicken. What do you think?
That sounds good.
Okay, we will plan that later.
For now, let us just enjoy this meal.
Yes, let us eat slowly and relax.
Good idea. Mornings like this are peaceful.
Yes, they are.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.